Anong ginagawa mo? Papa, ano yan? Ha? Baho man? Uh, what? No, it's not. I think it's grass killer. Ano? Damong ligaw. Ay, yung mga ligaw, yung kabit na damo. May kabit pala ang damo, my goodness. Where is it? This one. Ito ba yun? Pinapatay po yan. Ito, pinapatay siya. Yan yung purpose ng kanyang sprayer. Ang ganda naman, may flower. Why you need to kill him?
Inatalo niya yung ano.
Yung new grass. But it's everywhere. Huh? Over there, oh. Okay. That's the purpose, what he's doing. He's making